Are you a creative writer who is passionate about telling interesting stories? Or maybe you just love reading and have always wondered what it's like to influence where the story goes? Our platform connects writers and readers and prompts them to create mind-bending stories in a fun and exciting way. Here's how. We start by creating a new project and defining its parameters. This includes genre, number of chapters, character limits per chapter, selection cycles, and more. At any given time, you can choose from multiple writing projects, some of whom would already have chapters written. This is where you come in. If you're a writer, you can choose either to step into a story that already has some of its chapters written, or start a new story with your desired title. If you've chosen to start a new story from scratch, just set your imagination loose, writing the first chapter the way you see it. Submit it for voting along with the title, and let others expand to this story further. If you've chosen to join a story that's already evolving, you contribute to its development by writing the following chapter. In order to keep the story going, each chapter is selected within a certain time frame. People vote for their favourite writings, influencing where the story goes. At the end of it, the winner for the chapter is selected, and the next cycle begins. When all the chapters of the story have been finished throughout this process, the complete story will be evaluated by our keen-eyed expert team and might get published on Reader. However, that's not all. Reader will promote all of the chosen stories by selling them to other publishers, and the income generated through that goes to, you guessed it, the writers. Reader is a fun and novel way of writing unforgettable stories, bringing together the writers and readers for an exciting and adventurous experience. Join now and write the story you never knew you wanted to write.